Shalom family. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the 7 essential types of herbs that you absolutely need to have in your apothecary. So one of the questions that I get the most often from students is, how many herbs should I have? How many herbs are too little or too many? So that's what we're going to be talking about, exactly what types of herbs that you need to have or you should have in your apothecary so that you never run into a situation where you don't have an herb on hand. So first, we have analgesic herbs. These are our pain relieving herbs, and I've talked about them before. Whether it's a headache, muscle ache, minor injuries, these are the herbs that we're going to pull from. And the good thing about them is that they can alleviate some of the issues that you may have without the side effects that many of the other conventional pain medications that we have on the market have. Herbs like white willow bark, which contains salicylin, a compound that's similar to aspirin, is a really good pain reliever depending on where in the body you need relief. I make a compound with chamomile and yarrow, those three, and I use them for stomach pain, for cramping, also for back pain, and additional blood flow and circulation. So I'm not specifically recommending that you make that exact formula, but it's a type that you should have on hand based on what you think you might need in your home. So next we have our topical first aid plants. So I have a good mix of ready to use remedies, tinctures, extracts, etc. But then from my knowledge, I can forage. I know where I can find them quickly in my backyard. So it doesn't really matter the type that you have, but you need to have ones that can address the minor cuts, scrapes, skin irritations that you might have, ones that are going to give relief and then support your body's natural healing process. Some of my favorites are calendula, comfrey, St. John's wort, along with different powders and salves and oils that I like to have. You can also have frozen poultices that are ready to go. Calendula can be turned into salves and ointments. It's used for skin irritation. So I think that herb specifically is like a must-have that you should have in your apothecary. So because we live hectic lives, stress is a big thing. So sedative herbs, these are our calming, sort of stress relieving, anxiety inducing plants that can pretty much just relax you no matter what you're going on. In fact, I actually have a whole entire playlist dedicated for herbs for relaxation and sleep. So if you like more insight on those specific topics or different herbs, I will link the playlist down below in the description box, and you can check that one out after watching this video. So next, let's talk about tonics. These are packed with nourishing properties. They help to strengthen the body. They can be used to boost vitality, support your overall well-being. I like to keep various total body tonics, so for the whole body, along with some that are a little bit more organ specific that I can pull from whenever needed. Along with that, we also have nutritive herbs. These are like the herbal multivitamins. So they give nutritional support. They also make sure you get the essential vitamins and minerals that the body needs to be able to thrive. So if you don't have a habit of eating a healthy, balanced, meals, then these herbs are the ones that you can use to kind of supplement your nutrition. Next, you want to have some digestive herbs. These help to facilitate and aid our body basically in its natural digestive process. So the digestive system plays a crucial part in our health, and these herbs basically can support it. So they act as maybe gentle laxatives. They can aid your digestion, your metabolism, and just ensure that everything runs properly and smoothly and nothing gets stuck. And then number 7, and I actually have a bonus one for you, but we have adaptogens or medicinal mushrooms. So adaptogens help our body to adapt to stress. Of course, they support our adrenal glands. They basically can help to navigate life's challenges with more resilience. Along with this, medicinal mushrooms, the fungi are kind of like adaptogens, but they often have even more benefits. They're known for their anti-tumor properties, cognitive support, and immune boosting abilities, which adaptogens have as well. All right, so there are just a crash course on 7 different herbs that I think that you guys should look into having in your apothecary. So if you're wondering which herbs you should start with, I actually have a whole bunch of different videos, and you can actually check out the playlist that I'll have linked below about the kitchen herbalist, so you'll know how not only what to stock, how many herbs you need, which ones to start with, but also about organizing it, storing all of these herbs. So I'll link all of that below. But I hope this is helpful just to kind of give you a little bit more guidance on the first herbs that you tend to go for. These also tend to be ones that are really safe, and so you as a beginner can feel confident on navigating. If you made it to the end, I want to thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.